Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, you will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming Kahoot Quiz number 4, based on the session 21 to 30. Prerequisites, please watch the session number 21 to 30 and then attend this Kahoot Quiz number 4 in OOPS programming. If you're confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon, select all notification options. Don't choose personalize, you may miss some session updates. Let's get started. So while attending, while you're watching this video, you can't able to attend this quiz because so I'm in a live mode, so I can able to attend it. But while you're watching, so it's my request, please pause the video and predict the output, what it is. So just for a learning purpose, not an assessment. Okay, just pause the video while I'm displaying the question. Afterwards, guess your answer. At last, match it whether it is correct or not. Okay, and at last, check it out whether your answer is matching with the question answer or not. Okay, so let's start. When I'm repeating, it's not an assessment, just for practicing purpose. I'm displaying. So we just pause the video, predict the output, and then compare it with the answer whether it is matching or not. So what is the main problem? If you don't use the constructor, methods can be called, can't be called, won't apply. Objects may be created without proper initialization. The answer is objects may be created without proper initialization. We already discussed in our previous sessions. Kindly refer it. If you are not creating the, if you're not using the constructor, so objects may be in an invalid state. It is not properly initialized. Second question, predict the output. So here I am having the default constructor, but there is no default constructor present in that. There is not a default. Yes, a default. So then what's the output? Compilation error. Yes. Reason here I am not passing any argument, so automatically treat as a default constructor, but there is no default constructor. You may ask, Java compiler will usually create a default constructor. Yes, but when we are not having any constructor, but we are having one parameterized constructor, so at the time Java will not create any default constructor. So even if you're instantiating the default constructor, Java compiler will not create a default constructor. So that's the reason we are getting the compilation error. Okay. Third challenge. What happens if no constructor is written in class? Now only we have discussed. What is that? The compilation error. A Java compiler provides a default constructor. Object can be created or runtime error. Which one? Java compiler provides a default constructor because there is no constructor. So then automatically Java will create a default constructor. Fourth challenge, what is the output for the following code? So here I am calling the object without any reference variable. Definitely it is possible. So new test of 5 means will check is there any argument. So first one is not matching, second one is matching, then output is B. Answer is right. Because I'm passing the parameter, here there is no parameter, this is no argument constructor. So it is not working. Next one, int x, one value 5 is matching, so p is printed, b with white space is printed. Fifth challenge, why are access modifiers used in Java? Actually this question we already discussed in access modifier playlist, so it's repeated here. Why? Reason? Access modifier, actually this question is not a right one. I have to change the question, so I'll skip this question. Okay, don't see this, it is not matching. When an object is created, actually the question is, oh, when constructor will be called. Okay, so when an object is created using new keyword, at the time constructor will be called. Sorry for the inconvenience, I will change this question in my Kahoot library. Next question, why is a constructor needed in Java? What's the purpose? To destroy object, to initialize object state, to call static methods, to declare variable, to initialize object state, to initialize object state. Okay, next question. Seventh challenge, what will the output of the following snippet? So I'm having the code constructor. So default constructor will be called C with white space. D2 equal D1, no effect because it's just upping here, but no effect. Then automatically the output is C. So the output is C. Eighth challenge, output prediction. So predict the output. So test is the class name, constructor is available. First time default constructor will be called. There is a default here. There is no default. No argument. Default means Java compiler will get this no argument constructor. So x equal to 10. It will overwrite the existing value. Yes, it's possible because already instance value x is 5. Now I am changing into x equal to 10. Yes, it's work. Ninth challenge. What is the output of the following snippet? So here we are having the data member name, no-arg constructor, parameters constructor. First time no-arg constructor call means unknown will be printed, and then student of Ravi. So n value, what is that? Ravi. So name equal to Ravi. So Ravi, what is unknown, and then Ravi is the answer. Unknown, Ravi is the answer. Last challenge, 10th one. Which of the following is true about constructors? They can be static, they are inherited, their name must be exact, match the class name, they have a type. The answer is their name must match the class name. So this is the answer. So only one person is get the output as a that is a just for a purpose. Found the session useful, like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates, please share it with your friends. I hope this session is useful for you to brush up the previous concepts. Thank you for watching.